that's the bottom. Shoot. Give me the cave. Ew, it's all wet here. Okay, so I was at that thing already. Did I do the... Oh no, it doesn't have one. Yeah, thermal protection falling, I know. A settlement? Yeah. I don't need a settlement though. Is it falling? Yeah. Fine, where was that settlement? I see your storm. I raised you a terrain manipulator. Hey! Look at that. Oh. Jeez Louise. Ooh. Show me the red dot. The only fucking reason I'm still on this goddamn planet is, oh my god, I thought those were eyeballs. Oh, Jesus. I have one more animal to try to scan. And it lives underground. So it says. But I don't know how much I trust that because I have scanned creatures above ground where the info said that it lives underground. So I don't know. Ooh. Well, I can take these at least. Oh, you explode. Eee. I'm never gonna find this thing, am I? Ooh, it's spooky. Come on, baby. I just want to scan that one last thing. One thing. Oh. I'm gonna find it. I'm a goddamn Leo. I don't give up on shit that easily. I do that thing where I say, like, that's it. I'm done. I'm quitting. I can't. Like, it's not worth it. And then it's like, I thought you said you were giving up on this. It's like, yeah, I say a lot of things. Oop, that's not a door. I knew that. What is that? Eh. You good, buddy? I think he's having a bad time. One sec, guys. Something dark side. I love you so much. Do you love me? You're my only friend. Don't tell Gus Gus. But you're my favorite. That's not true, actually. Okay, I am back. Wah. La, 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 la. I apparently need to order food. So let's order food. I know I've like not even done my fruit bowl. I'm the worst. I'm the worst at eating. Now drinking water. Champion. Okay. Okay. Food, 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 food. Bam. Okay, what do you guys want for dinner? What do you want for dinner? Soup. Special fried. What is special fried rice? Why is it special? Plain. I don't know. Just this one. That one. Excuse me. This one. Shit, I don't know what. There's too many options. Ooh, Shanghai noodles. No. I don't know. I got told specific things to order and I've already forgotten what they were. Oh, there they are. Okay, thank God. Told to get curry shrimp. Oh God, I don't know. What's the difference between red and yellow curry? I'm not educated enough. There's green curry. Go with yellow. I know he likes yellow curry. Yellow curry shrimp. Add to order. General Tso's chicken. What's the difference between General Tso's chicken and Szechuan chicken? I'm tempted to order this because I have no idea what it is. It's called Dragon and Phoenix. I need like egg rolls. Where are the egg rolls? How did I not find the egg rolls? I found like every fucking thing else I could find, but not egg rolls. They have... Oh, I see. Why do they only come with one? I have to order them separately? Like, I have to get one at a time? No. Really? I guess. I have to get 4. 3. There's 3 of us. Chicken egg roll, shrimp spring roll, vegetable spring roll. I don't know. Vegetable? Vegetable. 3. Then I can say I ate my vegetables. I don't think I got anything for myself. What is an egg drop soup? Oh, that's when you like crack an egg into soup, right? I think. I'm so uncultured. Jesus Christ. At least I'm honest. Soft, thin egg noodle. What was I gonna get? Chicken. I want chicken. Just give me breaded chicken and sauce. And this is one of those places where you click on a dish and it doesn't actually tell you what it is. It just get a quantity to add. So, I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna fucking Google this shit because I don't know what the actual difference is between Sichuan versus General. Sichuan has more of a bitter taste. General Tso has a spicy taste. Both are good. Okay. What is better? That's a stupid question. General Tso's chicken's about the most dangerous Chinese dish on the menu. Is it because it's so tasty? I'm just gonna go General Tso, I think. I feel like that's my safe bet, right? I think so. Okay. Where's the general? General. Goddamn right. Szechuan beef. What was it under? Curry chef specialty. I think. General Tso's chicken. Add to order. Okay, something for me. Spring rolls, the curry shrimp, Candy's chow mein, chicken fried rice. That looks right. Leave at front door and the bell. Anybody else say please and thank you when they order food? Like under like if you leave like special instructions, I always say please. Oh, I could get $5 off if I use my points. I'll do it. I'll use my points. Man, but it takes forever to get points. Whew. That ain't cheap, yo. Okay, I think I got everything. And now I'm going to be very patient about everything because there was that one time when I wasn't patient and I double clicked and it actually double ordered. And then the restaurant called me and was like, did you mean to double order this food? And I was like, what? No. And they're like, because we made both orders already. And I was like, why would you call me to confirm that first? And I felt really bad about it. And I was like, whatever, just send me all the food, I guess. And then the guy was like, well, like, you don't have to. Like, we could refund you that, the one order. And then they did. The trader seems ill. I'm so sorry about this. Their skin is covered in pustules and their eyes gluey and weak. They sputter mucus as they gabble at me. That's disgusting. A fetid, damp stench fills every corner of the facility. I inspect my exosuit for things I could offer this life form. Life support. Oh my god, you know, I'm not reading the rest of this. Yeah, we're just getting out of that. We are just not looking at that shit anymore. This looks like a Nerf gun. Ooh. It has naughty bits. Compare. Mine is still a bit better, though. Just up here, anyway. Also, mine is worth 69,000 units. So, like, I don't know if I could ever trade this in now. So, this is... I was talking to Sensei about this last night, too. I'm not understanding why... This multi-tool is a B class, but it has weaker stats here than mine does. And it only has 15 slots right now. And mine has 12. And like you can add slots to it, so like that's sort of like a meh. So I just don't understand the class system then. Other than like things that are of a higher class, they just cost more money. Is it something to do with like, is there like a maximum slot capacity or something? So like my multi-tool can only have like up to 20 slots or something, but this other one being a B class can have up to like 30 slots. I don't know. I don't know. It does look kind of neat though, but nah, I don't need it. I don't need it. We're leaving. Order confirmed. Okay. What you got? Do you have units or nanites? It's none of your business. Do need wiring looms. 83,000. Get out of here. But I do need one. I think. Shit, what did I need it for? I don't even remember anymore. Preparing. I don't remember. I just remember it telling me that I needed to get a wiring loom or something. I don't know. I have 2 on me. I don't think I need to sell any. This doesn't happen to also turn into... Wait, activated copper just works like regular copper? I hate my life right now. I passed up so much of it on my Switch because I was so desperate for copper because I couldn't get to a system with better metals in it to make better or like more chromatic metal. And then I got the activated copper I needed to repair my ship at the time. But I never thought to just look at it to see if I could use it to make chromatic metal with. I feel stupid. Oh yeah, this planet. I already forgot where I was. Okay, so that's where I bored out of, I think. I'm still really hellbent that this planet's sky is just like normal Earth. If it wasn't for these superheated fucking storms. Okay. Show me the thing I need. For the love of God. I just want to find that last scan. That's all I want. Just want that last scan. Shit. Whoa, God, this planet ain't having a good time today. I'm starting to get a little sussy-wussy. That, like, maybe it's not even... actually underground or something. I just want to find it, though. It's when their little weird tail tentacles are just kind of, like, wriggling in the air like that, that I get a little unsettled. Well, I don't know. I might have to give this up. I don't want to, but... Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't know. I gave it a good try, I think. What did I find? This thing? I think... the atmosphere drastically changes during the storms because my jetpack lasts fucking forever. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm fine. Oh, okay. I'm fine. I thought this was gonna be like, I don't know, a building. What is that? The blue thing. Oh, that's those QB. The QB boys. Alright, where the hell am I going? Where's my ship? Get the hell out of here. This place sucks. It's so beautiful, but it sucks so hard. Oh my fucking god. I can't have my thermal protection can't not be on right now. It's way too, I have 2 health pips and no shield. My shield will not recharge right now. Ow, mother... Oh, hello? Shield? If I get hit by one more floor, I'm gonna fucking die. I don't like this. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh, thank fuck. Okay. Oh, look, a rainbow. Ain't that nice? Like, it is, though. I feel like I'm in Oz. Ain't nobody got time. It's too much running. This is the one I found already, right? For sure. Okay. Fuck. I feel like I'm gonna be leaving and I'm just gonna see that last creature that I need to scan. Being like, haha, fuck you. Yeah, I've definitely been on a planet where it was like, this thing lives underground, but I scanned it like above ground or in the water or something. So I don't believe anything anymore. I have trust issues. Oh god, more copper. I do want it at the same time. At the same time, I don't want to be here anymore. Bye. Is that actually like a planet too? Like that wasn't just a moon? It's the moon. It is a moon. A very green moon. Nah. If there was like little fuzzy bipedal creatures living on it, I would 100% like, yeah. We'd be going full Star Wars. Because it's just Endor at that point. Anyway. You discovered this. Oh, ew. Yeah, that was that really depressing first planet I went to there. That one. I wanna go there. I could just leave. I could just, like, rush stuff. But my name ain't Geddy Lee, so... yeah. I made a rush joke. What should tell Sensei about it? Man, I'm glad I ordered that food when I did, because it's still, like, it's not even halfway done. really gotta think of a cool name for this ship. Uggo Swino. Uggo Swino? There better be some funky pig guys here. You know there won't be. Oh. Might as well just stop here. Is that a base right there? No. It's just a broken thingy. And a big rock. Uggo Swino. Right, so... like, I don't think I want to get the Gravitino ball immediately. That's what that is, right? Gravitino. The Martini ball. Do this first. I want them word stones. I thirst. I thirst for the words. I don't think they're word stones here, though. There's something else, aren't they? I think, maybe? Yeah, they're fragments. Somewhere here. Also, something over there. Be something cool. Oh, look at the baby! Oh, you're just the cutest. Oh, look at the colors on this little baby! Oh my gosh, you are just absolutely precious. It's running for its goddamn life and I'm just cooing over it. Is that just the species? No, that's an infant. Okay. Hatched from cocoons? But it looks like a mammal. It's Space Kate. It doesn't have to make sense. Oh my god, but they're so little. Oh my goodness, I love you. Like, it's not just this thing, is it? Grainal Bay. No, they're different species. Huh. Alright, what's going on with you? You got fucking crazy horns. You got them skinny little back legs, though. So strange. So very strange. Yeah, back to this shit. One here. It's not just, like, inside of here, is it? No, okay. Right there. Okay, for a second, I thought it was just giving me the silicate powder. I was about to get more silica powder. Is it silica or silicate? No, it's silica. Silicate. Silly Kate. I hate myself sometimes. Where is it? Where is it? Ah. Oh god. There's one more, two more, a couple more. Guess I should probably do this first to actually know where to point. Oh god. What is... Just complete disregard for the terrain. I don't live here, who cares? I would never do this on my planet and not fill it in, though. because it affects me, so I care. Ooh, large. Okay. Just do it through the wall. Does that mean I don't get it? Okay, no, I can get it. Okay, oh my god. I guess I could get rid of some of this. I have a full stack. I don't think I've ever seen a full stack of any of the, like, the base component stuff. 9,999 silicate. Jesus. And I'll probably never get rid of it. A chest of splendid goblets? Approximately 865 years old. What caused this artifact's owner to bury it underground? Did they hope to return to claim it one day? Such questions may now never be answered. Make a show about it. Give it 40 seasons. I think I got all of them, right? Yeah. Alright, give me them balls. The balls. No, it's fine. Wait, it's not fine. Isn't my ship right here? Let me dump some of this crap on you. Take my shit.